You ready?
It's gonna be my first time down this.
You ready?
Yeah,
First time down.
a little nervous.
You'll be good. You'll do good. Think you got, there it goes. Stick your other foot towards me. Just bend it up front. Stick it up towards me. Hey. Got her. Okay. So we're, no, you're good. Just leave it off. It'll be fine. Phone battery's gonna die if you don't. So we're just gonna go straight down this, and then you'll turn right as soon as you'll see the little gates. Hang on.
Nervous.
Try to keep your body straight because you're doing this in the turns.
I'm nervous.
Yeah, you're fine. So just try and keep your body, your chest forward, and keep your arms out.
Okay.
This is really mellow.
I'm just like got super nervous.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see up there too. Left. So remember, keep your feet right together and just step on one ski, step on the other. You're doing good. Just step on one ski, step on the other. It'll turn the other way. There we go. You're fine. You're doing good. Just keep your skis together and step on one and slide sideways. Don't snow plow. Hey, get away from the edge. Yeah. There you go. Now, good. See, you're doing it. You're good. Now put your skis right together and step on your right foot. Step on your left. There you go. Sahan, just remember you got to step on that foot and stay, keep your feet together. Keep your feet together and step on that foot and let it skid sideways to slow you down.
It feels like it's not tight enough or something.
Ooh, that looks fun.